Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 23 of the July Leetcode Daily Challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this problem. 1636, sort away by increasing frequency. Okay, yeah, so let's see. I mean, it sounds pretty straightforward. I don't know what to say. Today I am pretty okay. My training is just uh, I took a nap, so now I feel a little bit refreshed. So it's kind of hard to say, but I did spend 3 hours in the gym, and then I ran for a couple of miles, not that long today, just to kind of keep my legs kind of. Today it wasn't like the miles don't matter as much as me being more deliberate in thinking about the miles and just trying to think about every step and just getting my gait right so that I can kind of work around my injuries because I'm still not squatting very well right now, just from injuries. Like my groin is a little bit injured, so at the bottom of my squat depth, I'm just not comfortable going very heavy. And so I've been doing leg presses, so that's just keeping it fresh, but it's still I mean, I think long time viewers, um, long time viewers will know that I do a lot of squats, so it does make me a little bit sad. It is like my best uh, um, my best, what's it called, lift, I guess. I mean, it's kind of hard. Okay, fine. Yeah, it is definitely my favorite, my best lift. I mean, I guess they're related in that regards, which kind of ties us back to Leetcode, right? If you like it, then you just get better at it. And I don't even squat that much. I think my max squat, I mean, now that I'm kind of ranting a little bit, my max squat is like 360 pounds or something. What is that in kilos? Either 360 or 365, I forget. 163 kilos, which is like a little bit more than my double body weight. So that's, yeah. Anyway, let's kind of take a look at this. I mean, here, yeah, we just care about the frequency and we're just trying to sort it. Oh, okay. Yeah, I was gonna look at what happens for tiebreakers, right? For example, here you have two ones and two twos, but they want it in the decreasing order, which is nothing that hard. Just mix it like two threes and two twos. Nothing that hard, and they give it to you in a sample, which makes it a little bit nice because it is very easy to kind of mess that up. But yeah, I think for problems like this, especially if it's a Yeezy, as soon as you see a Yeezy, I mean, if you're in beginning, you're starting out, do whatever you need to do to solve the problem, obviously. But if you are already practiced, say, try to do this as fast as you can, right? Like, people always ask me how I am able to do problems in like 40 seconds or whatever in the contest, like the easy problems. And honestly, some of it is just like getting used to reading problems, because the solving problems for a lot of the easier ones I'm able to do very quickly, but it's just about reading, right? And that's a part of it. I mean, it's more competitive programming, honestly, because in an interview you have way more time, and you do not need to solve it within 1 minute or 40 seconds of reading it or whatever. But it's just, for a contest, it's just nice to do, and that's why I always recommend, right? Even if you have done it before. I mean, I've done a lot of easy problems before, and I know them. Well, that's not what I mean to say. I mean, I should know how to solve all the easies, right? I mean, that's just, like, I don't think that's a humble brag, but so for me, I still try to work on speed, right? So yeah, and speed means a lot of things. It means that I have more problems for Q2, Q3, and so forth, if nothing else. And this will help you in other ways. And a lot of the hard problems, I want to say, many of the hard problems just build off, like, there are components, like for example, this is the tricky thing about hard problems, is that hard problems may contain 3 or 4 components that you have to solve and put together, right? But some of those components are easy problems, if you will. So you just have to be able to be so fast on the easy portions that you're able to kind of, focus your way on the harder ones, right? Like, yeah. Okay, I mean, I think that's enough about like chatting about it. So let's actually solve this problem. So for this problem, we have 2 things that we need. One is just the frequency, and that's pretty much it. And sorting, which we kind of talked about yesterday with respect to libraries. So definitely, yeah, here we set up a frequency table, and that's all we really need to sort, because now we can say for key, we can say we care first about its frequency, and we want it in an increasing order, and then the values in in decreasing order, which we represent with negative x, and then that's pretty much it. Yeah, I mean, you could even write that in whatever, but yeah, there are variation of this that's a little bit trickier. I think it hasn't come up yet, but they refer to like stable sorting. Stable sorting is just sorting, but the initial order matters in the sense that that is the one tie-breaking elements in that. Yeah, I'm not gonna go a bit too deeply because that's not this today's problem. But that's all I have for today. This is gonna be n log n time. Of course, all of n space here and technically here. So yeah, thanks for watching. Stay good, stay healthy to good mental health. Man, it's really hot here today. Or maybe I'm just sweating. I don't get it. But yeah, thanks for watching. Stay good, stay healthy to good mental health. I will see y'all and take care. Bye bye.